How long already blood in the urine?
This morning.
Only 1 day only.
Before that, first she pees on the grass, so we also
But appetite good? Still good?
okay, good.
Yeah. When was the last hit? Hospitalized?
Sterilized. Sterilized? A few months old?
Sterilized already, yeah. So always on dry food? Seldom drink water?
Yes.
Correct.
Don't have water.
Why he doesn't have to drink water?
To take ice.
That's why the dreaded all concentrated urine. Difficulty in urination as well. The female dog, right? Pee and about urine was collected. Now 60 seconds. 60 seconds after the lipstick is put in, then we will read. We will read the. Okay, I think it's about 60 seconds. 30 seconds. Okay. Then we'll read the comparison for the pH especially. Okay, start reading. Start from the top, yeah. And write down urobilinogen.
45 seconds only.
Okay, I'll wait a while first. Then I'm just more interested in the pH actually. What was the pH? Let me see now. It's very alkaline. Looks like 9 pH. And there you go. Start from the top, yeah.
Negative,
Urobilinogen, just pronounce it now.
glucose negative. Bilirubin negative.
Okay.
Ketones negative. Specific gravity is 1.0.
Blood should be positive. Which one is blood? Do you pen and point? 3 plus, okay. Okay, right. There should be 9. which will be taken, and also a blood test will be done as well. So this is the dog, 9 years old, male or female? Female, has blood in the urine. So we check no bladder stone or kidney stone or not. There's a stomach there. Stomach is here. Then check the kidneys. Don't have radial density. Check the side view. Side view is here. Do you see any bladder stone? Kidney stone? Bigger? This one, the bladder is small, right? Is there a bladder there? Bladder, right? Is it bigger? But urine test shows triple phosphate crystals and blood in the urine.
Dok, I close the study now.
Close, huh?